Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial video. I am Kata and joining me is Enikő, who will help us explore one of the most exciting new features in ARCHLine.XP 2025. Hi Enikő.
Hi Kata, hello everyone.
Today we are talking about the AI render feature. What does artificial intelligence do when it starts rendering? Can you explain us exactly what it is?
Yes, with the AI render feature, artificial intelligence helps us create quick visual concepts. Even in the early brainstorming phase, we can produce striking mood boards, furnishing concepts, or enhance early mass models.
So, we don't have to do the full detailed render to get a great image?
Exactly. It is especially useful during brainstorming because it helps visualize ideas.
How do we start the AI render?
To create an AI render from the current view of the 3D model, click View, Rendering, AI Rendering.
How does the credit system work for AI rendering?
Credits can be purchased in packages of 50, where 1 credit equals 1 image. On ARCHLine.XP.com, go to the AI Render tab under Purchase. After payment, select the command in the software and log in to see your credits. We are going to collect ideas for this mass model.
Let's see what the AI comes up with.
I will choose the outdoor render. The first render should be precise, so the AI retains the shape of my sketch model. The image type is a 3D model and the style is realistic.
What do we enter in the command line window?
Here you can enter the prompt, a description of what you'd like to see. This acts as the instruction for the AI. The more detailed your description, the more accurate and creative the result. For example, modern house is a simple prompt, but you will get much better result with something like this. Photorealistic exterior of a contemporary family home in a suburban neighborhood in early autumn. Facade combines white stucco, warm wood cladding, graphite grey stone. Flat roof segment includes green terrace with plants and seating. Other segments have pitch dark grey metal roofing. Large grass reflects autumn sunlight. Entrance path paved with light concrete tiles bordered by grass. Trees show lightly turning leaves. Overcast sky diffuses soft light. This is a sufficiently detailed prompt. Of course, the AI won't recognize everything we describe, but if we find a view and write a well-crafted prompt, very exciting results can emerge. Often the best work comes from happy accidents.
Once the render is ready, you can download or copy it to your clipboard. This turned out great. This image gave me a lot of inspiration and ideas for what could be done with the building.
That's exactly the point of using AI render at the early stage. If you're less tied to the initial model, switch to creative mode where the AI can interpret input more freely.
Let's look at an example of that too.
If you already have a render or inspiration image, choose View, Rendering, AI Rendering from Image, and you can import an image from your computer. This is the same model from a different view. I will paste the same prompt and choose Creative Mode. The render is complete.
Why is ARCHLine.XP's AI render better than using an external AI render?
It's integrated into the design process. No exporting, no need to open separate apps. It's faster, easier, and switching styles is simple. The credit system is also transparent. ARCHLINE's AI render integrates into your workflow in no time.
We saw examples of how to use AI rendering in the early design stage. But what kind of result can we expect from a more developed exterior or a fully furnished interior?
Here are some works from our colleagues who achieved inspiring results in ARCHLine.XP's AI render in their projects. We can see bedrooms, wardrobes, kitchens, outdoor shoots. Let's observe how different renders can come from the same project.
What would you say influences the final result the most?
The most important part is writing the prompt. Describe everything you want to see and run it multiple times to fine-tune the outcome. Over time, writing the instructions becomes easier and beautiful renders are easier to achieve.
We recommend checking out our videos with Claudia Arany and Eva Ferenci, who share more tips on using AI render and explain how they achieved such stunning results. Thank you for joining us and see you in our next video. Bye!